Hello, everyone. This is Grant from Hygo Software. Today, I want to give you an introduction about the AeroSQL project. It is an open source project that providing the Oracle compatible features. And I'm giving this presentation on behalf of the AeroSQL Global Development Group. Okay, let me share my desktop. Okay, here. So who am I? I'm a Grant Zhou from Hygo Software Canada, and I'm also one of the Postgres Conf organizer and Asia liaison. And I worked for Hygo Software on the open source PostgreSQL based products, and especially currently for the AeroSQL project. And also, I'm also the PostgreSQL evangelist for inside the community. You can find me from LinkedIn, Grant Zhou, and also my email, grantzhou@gmail.com. Okay, so today I want to give you the following talks. First, who we are, and also the AeroSQL introduction, and the key features and the roadmap of AeroSQL, and then the community and also the contribution guide of AeroSQL. And at the end, I will give you the details of the developer guide of the AeroSQL product, and also give you a demo and show how to use the AeroSQL product. Okay, who we are. Hygo is one of the leading provider of PostgreSQL related products in China. We currently have thousands of products running in different customers in China, and we also have lots of technical guys working on PostgreSQL. We know our internals of PostgreSQL, and also we are treated as one of the experts of the PostgreSQL products. We benefit from the open source, and we also we actually are always doing that. We want to contribute back to the open source, and we are willing to work with the friends in the open source industry to build an open source database compatible with Oracle. And we are Hygo Software, and looking forward to working with you on PostgreSQL and also the Oracle related compatible products. Okay, our team actually is composed of PostgreSQL experts and fans with decades of PostgreSQL development experiences. They are coming from not only Hygo Software itself. We also have Pagoda friends and some guys from the former Enterprise DB, which who are working on Oracle compatibility features in the past times. And our repository on GitHub is here, github.com/AeroSQL. And also you can see that you will find that the aerosql.org website is also one of the open source project on that. I will give you some details in the below slides. Okay, so what AeroSQL is? Yeah, you can see that it is an open source project with the Apache 2.0 license permit, and it is a surcharged open source fork of PostgreSQL. AeroSQL doesn't, compete with community vanilla PostgreSQL, but complements it. It is 100% compatible with PostgreSQL with added features and value. So everything that works on PostgreSQL, we hope that it will work on AeroSQL, and we hopefully that it will keep this 100% compatible behavior for from now on, to make sure that we can benefit from the vanilla PostgreSQL project itself, but also providing some additional, Oracle compatible features. So many people ask us for a question that why we are providing such kind of project, because PostgreSQL itself has already have the database functionalities already, and the Oracle we only make some features that make the PostgreSQL working like Oracle. Is that a necessary thing? Yeah, actually, to be frankly, RSQL it is not a high technology project. There's no advanced technology inside that. But the thing is that we met many customers are seeking a product that to work to replace the Oracle Oracle deployment, on their systems. So if they can, replace that with a product with a, minimum of the development of their existing applications, it will definitely help. So that's the reason why we are propose this project, and actually we did got some fixed feedbacks from the customers that they are looking forward to use that in their systems. The Git, the RSQL source code was maintained on GitHub platform. So you can find this project on GitHub with RSQL. And RSQL Every-3W is the project for the website of rsql.org. We have cloned this project on Git platform. But it is only a backup for the source codes. Right now, RSQL was the latest version of RSQL is v1.2, based on Postgres QF14, and with the Postgres 14.3 release, and we are going to release the 1.3 this month. And RSQL adds some exciting features on top of PostgreSQL. For example, the Oracle compatible packages, the Oracle compatible PL/iSQL procedural language, and also we added the GUC to switch between the Oracle mode and the PostgreSQL mode. And also the Oracle compatible syntax for different DDL operations, and also, for example, the data type functions. And in addition, we have the built-in ORA phase. It is the open source project on GitHub. You can see that I also provided the link here. For more information, please go to the rsql.org website to see the release note, the functionalities, and the documents. And the v1.0 or v1.3 is coming this month. Our colleagues is working and to testing the package right now, and we hope that it will be released soon. Okay, so that's the v1.2. The product map. If you could go to the issues of the GitHub, our homepage of RSQL, you will see lots of requests and bugs there already. And usually we please regularly check the issues on GitHub to see what's the latest features and the fixings right now we are working on. And also we welcome everyone to submit the features or even the bugs or any other suggestions in GitHub issues. You can see the link here. And the product roadmap. We actually have internal plannings, and it is still ongoing, and we want to publish it soon. We currently are focusing on the data types and the SQL layer compatibilities. You can see from 2022 and 2024, we have different feature development plans, like the separate Oracle SQL parser. And we also want to split the listening port for the Oracle commands, and also the PostgreSQL. And we also want to, we currently are also working on the blob and club B file, functions and data type, and also the for example, the global index, and also the OCI and OCCI is also in our list of the proposed plan. We hope that with the help of our global development team, we can provide more features inside to this RSQL project. And right now, there's the big, I think, release for RSQL with the full set of the features will come in this Q3. And let's see if you guys have any suggestions, and if you could also contribute with us, that will be perfect. So, well, as I mentioned, why we want the RSQL product. Yeah, it is that so many people are asking us to provide this kind of a product. So, but we actually have existing open source, existing compatible features for the customer already, but we want to do an open source way so that people could work together and collaborate together to providing the open source features. I want to know that Enterprise DB's advanced PostgreSQL server, they already have the Oracle compatible features, but it is not open source. I hope that with an open source project, we could collaborate to have a better attitude to the Oracle database, so that we can pull the PostgreSQL products, PostgreSQL widely adopted by many systems and many customers. And we aim to stay 100% PostgreSQL compatible. That's for sure. And we actually, that's the rule for us to working on RSQL. So we are focused towards industry requirements and needs with no compromise on quality. We do everything in approved open source way. Okay, so the community and the contributions, we are just booting up. So we strive to become an inclusive and open community. Everyone from anywhere is welcome to become a part of a team. That's how the open source worked. Everyone contribute, everyone can benefit from that. So yeah, collaborate, and so that we can build a good product, and also help the PostgreSQL itself. If, for example, if there is any better ideas or things that we can also contribute to the PostgreSQL itself. So our website, www.rsql.org. The email list was maintained on at lists.rsql.org. But to be frank, this is just created, so it is not that not that many messages right now. So usually people we are going to the GitHub web homepage to see details. The Reddit, the Twitter is not that active maintained right now, because most of the people are focusing on the development of the RSQL features right now. The ways to contribute, everything actually is managed from the GitHub public repositories. So as an open source project, there are so many ways to contribute to the project, not only the open source contributions, right? You can review the pull request, you can submit bugs, pull requests, and testing and blogging and answering the user questions, and also contribution to the community, the documentation and the website. And even you can, as the company or some domain owner, you can create and host the RPM or their packages for RSQL. Right now, this RPM was maintained on higo.ca website, and you can find that on rsql.org. How to report a bug? Well, GitHub issues. That's the most efficient way to open bugs. And also you can send an email to those email list, and for bugs, general questions, hackers, and also the document related questions. And to be frank, opening bug of feature request on GitHub is the most efficient way, and we welcome anyone to raise the comments or giving some feedback to this project. So what's next? We strongly believe that the project belongs to the community, and the community will drive it forward. So we welcome all proposals and pull requests to enhance this RSQL project, as long as they don't break the PostgreSQL compatible, compatibility, and also with good source code quality and results. Some of the areas and our dedicated core team plan to work for coming release includes more Oracle compatible features like data type, function, PLISQL, CLI, and migration tools. Yeah, migration tools is really important for product like RSQL to migrate the customers' Oracle database to PostgreSQL. And also we are going to provide the separate Oracle SQL parser in different port numbers. That's like the Babelfish project, open sourced by Amazon. Yeah, we actually want to work on this project, providing a similar mechanism, and that's it is in the development plan. So, well, yeah, contributors, it is the mostly people we wanted right now, so that we can work on the development, testings, anything. Please do let us know if you have interest. So here I want give you some developer guide on for RSQL project. See, that's the RSQL architect. The clients, when clients is accessing the RSQL, it will go through the parser, the query write, optimizer, and also the plan executor as before right now. And mostly we are modify the logics on the storage management, the other like transaction and the buffer management, and then going to the PL/SQL module and the PGCon Python Pro. Most of the yellow color is the ones that we modified based on PostgreSQL, and the Oracle data types and packages. Mostly, many of them are provided by the extension mode, like the ORA phase extension, but we did lots of modifications based on those extension, and also we were working working hard to separate or to isolate the modifications like of those Oracle compatible feature beside the existing PostgreSQL, so that we will introduce less conflicts with the existing logics. So take the create package for example. When create package command triggered, that's some modification of the PG package and namespace and the PG proc and the PG type and also the PG variable. Mostly the PG variable is the thing that the logic that we touched during the create package command. The PLISQL language. This procedural language is cloned from the existing PGCon, and it is mostly identical to PGCon in terms of architecture design. The PGCon architecture, it is the same. It is exactly same with the PGCon, with the executor and the pass executor for the statements, and also the SQL executor for expressions and embedded queries, and also the SPI interface for query execution and cursors. And because the RSQL is cloned from PGCon, it is with a goal that to provide the syntactic and the functional compatibility to Oracle's PL/SQL. Although PL-iSQL use the PL-SQL syntax that is little different from PL-PGSQL, but the internal architect and the structure of a PL-iSQL is mostly similar to PL-PGSQL. So if you check the source code, you will find that. So similar to PSQL, the functions and procedures created in PL-SQL, it gets stored in pgproc catalog, and it supports all the constructs that are supported by the PL-PGSQL with the addition of Oracle style package. You can see the diagram here, the create function procedure, the pgproc, and also for the PG package, for package 1, 2, it with the compilation validator and different modules here inside the registration life cycle. The package, a package it is the most important feature of that Oracle provided already. A package is stored in PG package catalog. Its elements such as procedure, functions, variables are stored in the respective catalogs. The package function and all procedures use the iSQL language for compilation and execution. So when the above create package statement arrives at the backend of every SQL, the following sequence of operators gets performed. Raw parser will forward the whole statement to the backend parser, and this statement will be fully parsed and analyzed by the backend. The package and package body will be stored in the PG package system catalog, and the package function and procedure will be stored in pgproc. And then the package variables will go to PG variable catalog. The package user defined types will go to the PG type catalog. Here's the thing that the command we executed here, like the create package and the create package body. So here the types and the functions. The support for Oracle compatible data types like varchar2 and nvarchar2 and the utility functions are added to RSQL through ORFs. The ORFs is this open source project, this is the extension of the PostgreSQL. It gets built and shipped with RSQL automatically. The compatible features implemented using ORFs, including the those data types and also those built-in functions, the data type related, the string functions, and also the conversion functions. The compatibility features implemented using syntax transformation. Some Oracle compatible statements are implemented using the syntax transformation inside the parser, like the compatible SQL modifications, like the command alt table, delete table, update table. It is providing the similar command syntax like Oracle, and also the Oracle operators minus and union, and also the sequence and the escape characters. Here I will give you an example of the hierarchy query feature. The hierarchy query, this feature, user documentation was updated on everysql.org. You can find this feature description there. The general idea is that we interrupt the select query processing and do the required transformation. The source code here is src backend parser and analysis.c. This function is the main function that builds up a CTE for the hierarchy query. This parser is prod.c is the core function that recursively found the pseudo columns and replace them with the appropriate transformation value. For example, the general form, select this from employee connected by employee number, start with employee name Blake. This query is transformed into the following CTE internally with recursive CTE employment with a number, name, manager, salary, and with those command to check the city mode, and then select the corresponding information from the city EMP, sorry. So like the pseudo column, like this a general form. The city color, the pseudo column, we actually always add the level column to the city query so that it will use the level like the pseudo column in hierarchy query of Oracle. That's the hierarchy query feature. So like see the sys connect by path and connect by route. It was replaced such column with the corresponding equivalent form of city column. See the select commands, SQL command, start with manager ID and connect with prior employee ID. It will transform to the city like with the recursive city example as select this information and using all the information from this level 2, existing, and then giving the the data from this city example. So that's the hierarchy query feature that provided by the SQL project. Using this mode, user can run the hierarchy query command just like the Oracle itself. The source code, actually, all the source code are open already in the GitHub project, and here I'll give you some the file name. The core name, the core of the conversion from original statement to CT, it lies on in this to file, and the main function is transform hierarchy statement and transform hierarchy target list, and also resolve pseudo columns. Here is the Git commit ID. I don't know whether you guys how to get this from GitHub. Actually, GitHub has this. You can use the link in the GitHub commit history, and enter this commit ID to get all the source code check-in for this hierarchy query feature. Okay, that's mostly I want to share with you for the SQL project, including the SQL itself and the developer guide. But I only list the backend related things. If you want to contribute it to the SQL -3W project, it is another story, and I think you can go to the SQL-3W repository on GitHub and check the contribution guides there. Here I will give the live demo of the SQL. I have Asif has already give me the demo SQL here, and I create the environment on CentOS 7 already. See, okay, here. If you select the versions, you can see it is based on PostgreSQL 14.2 for the SQL 1.2 right now, and if you check the Oracle compatible mode, you will see it currently it's set to Postgres mode, so it don't providing any Oracle compatible features. We need to change this to Oracle, and so that we can use these Oracle compatible features. Now I will give you let's clean this all the tables now, and let's see. Yeah. See the list of instance extensions, we will see the ORFS 3.18 for function and the operators that emulate a subset of functions and packages from Oracle database. And also you can find the PLSQL as the in the PG catalog schema to providing the iSQL procedural language. Okay, let's create the table here. You can see that this actually it is already the using the Oracle DDL command to create a table. So if you add the table at this two column VSH and also the num. Let me enlarge this terminal so that you guys could give a better view. And if you alt table test modify this ID and flag, we can put those together like Oracle did. So it will change the column, type here. So let's drop this column ID. See, it was dropped like, the command in Oracle. And also see here with if we insert the value 1, 2, 3 and select from test, we'll see that it will insert it, like Charo. So this actually it is the Oracle commands, but now it was supported by PostgreSQL. Okay, also here the delete and the update. If you delete test VSH equal to 3, it will then do the delete command for us, and also the update. So those are all the syntax like Oracle. So that's the basic introduction for the syntax things like the SQL enhancement like Oracle in SQL. So how we create a sequence? So see, just like Oracle, create sequence SQL SEQ. See the next value, it will change to like Oracle did as on the sequence support. And also we can use the CU current value to check the current value of this sequence we have already created. So that's the thing that we can use for like Oracle database. Here actually it is a database manipulation and informative functions. You can select the data time zone and also select the session time zone and also the Oracle.sysdate function like Oracle. And also you can run the command like this from do. Okay, see, it works like we did, right? And also we can use this command to check the months, differences between these two time steps, and it will automatically give us the result of the months numbers between these two time steps. And also like this one, select last day from due. It will give you the last day of this month and the next day of this command. The next Tuesday based on this the time step. So that's the as Oracle provides this functions we can support on our SQL. Okay, for here, let's convert a given number to day hour, minutes, seconds. Okay, 1 day, right? 1.2 current today is 1 day, 4 hours, 14.8 minutes. And let's convert to year. It is 1 year, 2 months, 12 days. That's 1.1.2 year means. Okay. And we can also extract the UTC from the data time with time zone, like this. And okay, that's the data time. It's not a new thing. Let's see the AR-Silence semantics. So let's create a table. Well, it's an interesting thing, right? So it will give you the limitations and providing the necessary errors, and also give this the varchar limitations as it works. Okay, here is the data type from the different number and varchar2 usage, so that this data type supported such as number varchar2 and varchar2. And here is the string functions. We provided in AeroSQL, like the B trim, L trim, R trim, and also the length of the string. Okay, let's go into the PL SQL functions and the procedural packages. Here is the create and the call function in PL SQL syntax. See, the demo function square, the demo function add. We are creating a replace function, demo function, and for the square and operation, and also the plus, right? Now the demo function for the overload, for the data overload of the data types. And if we select demo function from view, so it is a user integer in second paragraph, and also this calling this different functions of demo func. At last, I will give you a short description of this of the Oracle package objects. It is similar to PL SQL syntax. See, here is the create or replace package. After the package was created, let's create the package body here. So now the package body was created. So now we can call the example of proc1, and it will just give you a call to see that it was triggered, right? And also we can select this ES function 2. See, the ES function proc1 is proc function 2. That's as we created, right, in the in this package body with the ES function and ES proc. Okay, so that's actually the very simple demo for the AeroSQL SQL that you can use. It is only the basic one, and I think that AeroSQL still have a lot of things need to do. Like we said that there is so many kind of things we need to work on, like the roadmap that we made here for the different data types, for the blobs, for the built-in functions, and also a lot of migration tools. The migration tools is it's a one thing that we want to work on right now. And I think it will come in the coming months by September. I hope with those kind of new functions and also the new data type built-in functions provided, the RSQL could become more usable a more usable project for us to use to replace Oracle, and also so that we can bring the PostgreSQL itself into a new areas and new industries. And yeah, actually, that's mostly everything that I want to share with you for with the RSQL project. It is a new project. I hope to see that so many limitations and it is not a perfect product right now, but it is an open source one. And I hope that with this open source project, people from all over the world, that we can work together to provide, a product for users to replace their Oracle or other, expensive database, product, and so that with this more interesting RSQL features provided, and so many people come together to work on this project, it can become a more mature project, and hopefully that we can see many good shows that with this project, in different area, and that's actually everything I want to share with you. And thank you, guys. If you have any questions, please go to the GitHub, repository, and you can create issues there, and also you can send an email to myself, and I'm more than welcome to help with you guys and check how we can improve this product. Okay, thank you, guys. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the conferences, and including PostgresConf and PGCon and other conferences. And see you guys, and have fun with these PGCon events.